In 2020, I had a dream to start a lesbian wellness festival, offering something brand new to our community, and then the pandemic happened. So I decided to organise luxury gay women's retreats, creating an exclusive environment and safe space for LBT women and non-binary people to make friends and try new things whilst on a healing journey. The bond we felt at the retreats was incredibly special. I knew I had to go one step further and visualise something even better. And so the Wellness Weekend was born. LezBe mindful events are designed to stand out by being more intimate than large festivals, a place where attendees have the opportunity to get to know each other and share powerful, long-lasting experiences. The locations are beautiful, allowing people to fully immerse themselves in nature throughout the event. Our programs offer a range of workshops and activities that focus solely on well-being, guided by expert practitioners who facilitate safe and protected spaces to relax and release trauma. We aim to innovate and break the mould of the traditional lesbian festival, which is why everything is stripped back to basics without the emphasis on live performers, comedy and alcohol. Our swim and sauna sessions are also a particular hit. Ultimately, we cook together, eat together and grow together, making the overall experience so raw and real. LezBe Mindful has tailored packages to accommodate all budgets. We always find a solution for someone to join, even if that means asking the universe for help with their situation. My ultimate goal is to create life-changing experiences that improve mental health and make queer women feel less isolated. I know how it feels to suffer with loneliness, which is why I do my best to support others. During the last 8 years of hosting wellness spaces and a support group for gay women, I've received such heartwarming messages thanking me for going above and beyond for making people feel welcome and comfortable at such a personal level. I always give my time freely to answer questions, organise car shares and connect people online before they arrive. I can't wait for our next event. Watch this space and make sure you're following LezBe Mindful for our next big announcement.